Hello guys, my name is Daniel. So this is not a review. I'm just trying to unwrap these headphones that I got for myself today. I'm on AKG K182 professional close-back monitor headphones. Well, I don't really know how to explain the technical details, so I'll just read some of the stuff written on the box. So they say it's built for drummers, guitarists, and keyboardists. They provide an optimal solution for demanding monitoring situations. So some of the product highlights on the back of the box include stuff like closed back acoustics to ensure great performance for every instrumentalist. Over-ear design with replaceable earbuds to provide comfort during long sessions. High sensitivity with 50mm transducers to provide great sound even with mobile devices. There's a detachable cable with professional plug for smooth connectivity. And a 3D axis professional folding mechanism for ease of portability. Well, at the end of the day, what is my personal opinion about these earphones? I think it's a really good piece of device for about $70. The make is really good. It feels really firm in the hands and really comfortable in the ears. Actually, by the time I'm commenting over this video I recorded when I was wrapping it, I'm really pretty much using it. So pretty much what you see here is what comes with the box. Everything as it is there. So that is pretty much it. I hope this information was important and useful to someone. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel.